Hey guys, my name is Brian Graham. I am a certified peptide specialist at Boulder Longevity Institute. Here today to tell you how you can utilize peptides for pre and post-operative success. Whether you are the weekend warrior that just hurt your shoulder last week's Spartan race, or you are the feeble old lady just tripped over her cat, chances are you're going to need orthopedic services at some point in your life. When that office visit leads to a surgical request, that can be pretty devastating. That entails you not being able to do what you enjoy, not having a sense of normalcy in your life. Regardless, we can set you up for success by utilizing peptides, both pre and post-operatively. For example, going into surgery, it is important to prime your body for success. It is important to decrease inflammation, to promote a regenerative state, to encourage things for a good prognosis out of surgery. Here at Boulder Longevity Institute, we have unique strategies, whether it's a bone, tendon, or muscle injury, to encourage a faster recovery state and to get you back to what you want to be doing quicker. For example, something like MK677, when utilized in a fracture injury, can decrease recovery time by upwards of 50%. That is significant when you're trying to get back to what you enjoy. Again, my name is Brian Graham. I'm here at Boulder Longevity Institute. If you're interested in learning about how you can optimize your body or how you can promote a better pre and post-operative state, click the link below. Again, Boulder Longevity Institute, home of the nation's first medically managed peptide program for human optimization.